Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best wireless backup cameras for pickup truck you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many wireless backup cameras for pickup truck and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each wireless backup cameras for pickup truck so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a wireless backup camera for a pickup truck. First, focus on image quality because a clear, high-resolution display ensures you can see obstacles clearly, especially in low light. Next, check the wireless range and signal strength to avoid interference or lag while reversing. Durability is also important since the camera will face weather, dust, and vibration. So look for waterproof and rugged designs. Installation should be simple, with easy mounting and quick pairing to the monitor. Also, consider the viewing angle, as a wider field of view provides better visibility behind your truck. Finally, look for reliable power options and compatibility with your truck system. Choosing wisely ensures safer and more convenient driving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews and guides.